Our company has been successfully manufacturing pharmaceuticals for various purposes for 20 years. We follow the development of science in the field of pharmaceuticals. We analyze and implement new technologies. We constantly update our product line. At our enterprise we have various equipment for production of medicines, from granulator to self-adhesive labels automatic line. Geography of manufacturers has expanded, competition has increased, and this in turn has affected the quality of the equipment produced. In pharmaceutical production it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the moisture level, melting time, transparency, decomposition and dissolution time, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters. A company from Germany could only produce a powder mixer, but asked me to come and sign a contract in person. Unfortunately, I could not travel to the European Union, as I did not have a visa, and the visa process would have taken at least 3 months. The company in China sent me a catalog of products by mail. It took me a long time to choose, but I could not figure out what kind of raw material the mixer was suitable for. What was the permissible load volume? I chose 3 of the most presentable companies. I looked at the company's time in the equipment supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. I phoned all the companies to be sure of the manager's professionalism. The specialist of one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but never listened to me. I didn't like this attitude to the customer. The manager of another company talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary capacity of the mixer, the terms of production. 3 days later I received 7 different machines from them in the mail, and an offer to make my own choice. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in solving the problem of finding equipment. The last, third option of an intermediary from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the purpose of the mixer, the raw material to be mixed, the required capacity. During the consultation phase, he selected laboratory equipment to mix the powder. I decided to carefully study the proposed option, and if I liked it, I agreed with the management. The company specialist emailed me the data sheet and operating instructions for the mixing equipment. The mixer rotation was intense at 3,600, which ensured the elimination of mixing dead spot. Powder mixing speed was controlled on the control unit. We were pleased with the laboratory powder mixing equipment recommended and supplied by the manager of this company. In any case, it is better to go to a professional, and then your task will not seem so difficult. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such professionals work to make us continue to think so.